I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and welcome aboard Constance. Constance is a 2011 Vicem 77 Flybridge, and this boat is in impeccable condition. She's a single owner boat, she's always been captain maintained, and she's got a very unique layout with the 3 staterooms, 3 heads down below, and then back aft you've got a separate entrance to your engine and mechanical space, and there's also a crew quarters back there with a 4th head. So I'm going to give you guys a look around the boat. We'll do a walkthrough tour, some drone footage. If you have any questions about Constance, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is just below the video. All right, so here we are in Palm Beach, Florida, where Constance spends her winters. Give you guys an up-close walkthrough here of this gorgeous Vicem 77. And coming around here, get a good look at the hydraulic swim platform. And she just had the transom is the faux teak transom there that was done at Tim Winter's place in Carolina. Got your Novarania tender here with the 50 horse Yamaha. Coming into the cockpit, see this great entertaining space. There's a bimini that goes up above as well. And this gorgeous inlaid table that folds. We've got a drink fridge here to starboard. Take you guys right up to the Flybridge. So there are 3 amazing entertaining spaces on Constance. You guys just saw the aft cockpit. The Flybridge up here is huge. And the owner put this hardtop on and the isinglass enclosure for the summer cruising up in New England. Keep it warm up here. Got your Stid helm seat and this Flybridge. Great sight lines here. New Raymarine touchscreen electronics. Your bow and stern thruster. And over here on the port side, we've got a Wolf grill. Stainless steel sink. And another isotherm drink fridge. Back aft here, got this awesome aft facing seat. Constance is a single owner boat. And she's, as I mentioned, always been maintained by a professional captain. As you can tell, got these great wide walkarounds and this side access door to the lower helm. And moving forward, the dinghy sits right here up on the bow with a Marquepped davit to load it. You see this great seat here up on the bow. Your LaFrance stainless steel windlass. Get a good look at that hard top and the Flybridge up there as well. Head into the salon here. Get our first look at the beautiful mahogany woodwork that Vicem is so well known for. The owner's gone with a high gloss finish in here. Just tremendous detail. This is the preferred salon layout with the opposing settees. This is a high-low table that opens out into an oval as well. You really get to take a peek at how this can be one entertaining space between the salon and the aft cockpit. Cocktail parties. See the Samsung flat screen TV there. And forward to the helm. Have all your full controls, Raymarine touchscreen, a little bit bigger screens than up on top. And here's that side access door, giving you access to your midship cleat there, fore and aft. Bow and stern thruster here as well. Your remote access panels for the Cummins generators, which we'll take a look at down below. And your AC and DC electrical panels, very easily accessed from the helm there. Got an ice maker here behind this chair. And moving down into the galley, you've got the galley down, as you can see. This great little center island here. Some dedicated cup storage. Got a Bosch 4-burner electric stove and the convection microwave oven below. The dual basin stainless steel sink. And your fridge up above. And 2 freezer drawers below. There's great storage in here, plenty of access. Starboard will move to the palatial midship master with the full walk-around Island King bed. We've got 2 big hanging lockers here. Side tables. Built-in flat screen Samsung. A little seat here forward and vanity. Moving to the head, you'll see full shower stall here. And all of the heads have the Tecma electric toilets, as you'll see. Off here to port is the day head, which also acts as the head for the 3rd stateroom. This has the rainfall shower. To starboard, we've got our twin guest cabin with the bunks, and this has a great sort of crew setup here where you can actually sleep 4. Should be great for kids or grandkids here. Very easy and solid setup there. Another flat screen Samsung. All these great storage, soft close drawers. And another overhead berth here. Moving forward to the VIP or the second master. We've got another Island King berth. Neither of these are queen berths. They're massive for a boat. Take a look. 2 hanging lockers in this stateroom as well. There's great ventilation in all these cabins. You can see all the portholes. Another big hanging locker. Then you've got your Samsung TV and another vanity there. And of course, the ensuite head and another full shower stall. These bathrooms heads are absolutely amazing on this boat. And we'll take a look at the washer dryer unit here, right underneath the stairs. Nice easy access here. Take a look now into the engine and mechanical space. This is a really cool area down here. Excellent access for the owner-operators. Aft you have this mechanical space with the air conditioning chillers. Everything very easy to access. Up top there is your water maker. Your Glendenning shore power retrieval system. All of your steering gear here. And there's your portside Glendenning there as well. There's your passerelle. Got the air conditioning kicking on here. Moving into the engine room. Got about 6'1" headroom in here. Pretty amazing for this size boat. And she's got the MAN V12 1550 horsepower diesels. Just went out for a sea trial. She's running like a top. We've got the 25 kilowatt Cummins here to port and the 12 kilowatt to starboard. Dual Raycor filters, engine room blowers. There's your triple shaft seal. You can really tell the boat's been maintained very nicely. There's your Fireboy and your Reverso oil change system there forward. And the current captain's kind of transformed this crew quarters. These guys don't cruise it with the captain on board much, so this has become a storage space as well as tools for the captain. And there is a head back there and sink. This could easily be converted back to a crew quarters. Just needs removing those tool chests. Constance cruises about 20-22 knots. Her top speed is 28. She holds about 1,700 gallons of fuel.